If you are trying to figure out which dropshipping niche are actually trending in 2025 and you don't want to waste time on guesswork, then this video is for you. We are breaking down 3 niches that are really working right now. These are based on year market data, current buyer behavior, and the kind of product that are getting attention on TikTok, Instagram, and search engines. So grab your notebook, we are getting straight to the point, and somewhere in this video, I will also show you the only platform that handles your entire dropshipping setup in one place. So let's start with a niche that's been growing steadily but is now exploding in 2025, and that is eco-friendly products. This is not just a trend anymore, it's a lifestyle shift. A recent Shopify report shows that over 74% of global consumers prefer brands that show commitment to sustainability. Gen Z and millennials in particular are driving this trend, but it's spreading fast across all demographics. So here are the top performing product types: reusable beeswax wraps and silicone storage bags. The second is bamboo cutlery sets and stainless steel straws. The third is compostable phone cases with minimal branding. And the next one is zero waste shampoo bars and soap. And the another one is solar powered outdoor lights and phone chargers. These items are not just functional, they are highly visual, and that means great content for social platform. On top of that, shoppers are more likely to spend a little more on product they believe it's good for the planet. And the bonus tip is, if you pair sustainability with clean design, you can appeal to both eco-conscious shoppers and minimalist aesthetic lovers. Now moving on to a massive money maker, that is pet products. In 2025, this niche is seeing massive growth not just in basic pet supplies but especially in pet wellness and smart tech gears for pets. According to market data, the US pet industry is valued at $150 billion, and that includes health-focused pet treats and supplements, automatic smart feeders and water fountain, pet surveillance cameras with treat dispenser, interactive toys that reduce pet anxiety. Also, the eco-conscious collars and leashes made from recycled materials. One of the best part about this niche is the pet owners buy again and again. They don't just make one purchase, they come back monthly for treats, refill toys and health items. And people love to spend on their pets. Emotional marketing works really well here. So if you can frame your product around comfort, convenience and care, you are going to connect with a loyal audience. And the third niche is exploding thanks to remote work, productivity culture and viral short form content, and that is smart lifestyle gadget and AI powered tech tools. These are products that solve tiny daily errands but feels like life upgrade. So what's trending right now? That is wireless charger pads that double as lamp, foldable laptop stand and monitor risers, mini air purifiers and humidifiers for desktop, Bluetooth sleep masks with built-in white noise, solar powered gadget chargers, cable organizers and minimalistic docking hubs. There's a reason this dish is thriving. The perceived value is high but the sourcing cost is low. Plus, when these gadgets are shown in videos, especially TikTok or Reels, these are get tons of shares and curiosity clicks. These products also work across wide audience. Students, work from home folks, digital nomads, even gym goers. And now before we go ahead, if you are ever thought about starting dropshipping or growing your online store but feel like there are too many online tools to figure out, there's actually one platform that covers it all. It's called Sell the Trend. The problem with more dropshipping setup is that you need one app for product research, another for building your store, and something else for order automation. It's messy, time consuming and get expensive. But Sell the Trend puts everything in one place, so you can go finding a winning product to having it live in your store within minutes. And you can actually build a fully functional store in seconds, not an empty store but one already stocked with products that are proven to sell. They use AI to discover to scan across 80 plus niches plus a curated list handpicked by their dropshipping experts. So instead of guessing what might work, you can just focus on product people are already buying right now. They have also got ad spying tool that let you find viral Facebook and TikTok ads in seconds. You can see what's trending, how other sellers are marketing their products, and get inspiration for your own ads without starting from scratch. And when it's come to automation, Sell the Trend supports Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay and TikTok Shop with one-click product imports and automatic order fulfillment. And that means no more manual copying of details. The whole process runs smoother and faster. And for the delivery speed, they even have a marketplace with local shipping options for the USA and Europe, meaning some products can reach customers in just 2 to 3 days. That's a huge plus for happy buyers and repeat orders. So if you're starting your first dropshipping store or scaling an existing one, this is pretty much the only app you need. I will leave my special link in the description, so click it, check out Sell the Trend and see how fast you can get your own store up and running. So those are the top 3 trending dropshipping niches in 2025. That is eco-friendly products, second is pet wellness and smart gears, the third one is smart tech and AI lifestyle gadgets. If you are building a store this year, these are the spaces where buyers are already spending. Use this as a guide, pair it with a solid tool like Sell the Trend and start testing what fits your brand best. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. And if you want to learn more about dropshipping and AI tools, then definitely watch this playlist now.